Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make simple 3D drawings in AutoCAD. And this is the drawing which we will model in AutoCAD 3D, and this is very helpful for the beginners who want to start their journey in AutoCAD 3D modeling. So this is the simple drawing, and I will show you step by step how we can create. First we will create this shape here, then we will extrude, and then we will make a hole. So let's start. Click a line here, ortho, it is 132 and this is 72, 132. Now we have to create a circle of diameter 32. Click circle diameter 72 here. Now I will move this one here, trim these lines. So first the basic shape is created now, and we cannot extrude this one because it is not a polyline. For extrusion, your line should be a polyline or a closed loop. To make a closed poly loop here, this one, click on modify and click on join and select these lines. Now it is a single line, so we can extrude now. Click on the home. We are in the isometric view now. Here click on extrude and give the height 95. If you want to extrude upside, move the cursor up. If you want to extrude downside, move the cursor downside. So I will move the cursor up and give the distance height 95. And you click on here top view, and we have to cut on this 39 mm here. So again, go to home here and click on line here. So we will extend this one up to this one, and here from this point to 90.5, this side 60, 39, we will go up, so it is not required these lines. We will make this one here. Same way we have to make a single polyline here. For extrusion, click on modify, select join, and now it is a single line. We can extrude. Click on extrude, move here. You can see in the solid now. Click on orbit and you can rotate here. To cut a hole, we have to subtract this portion from this one. Click here on subtract, select the portion from where you want to subtract, enter, select this one, enter. We already cut the hole here now. And now we have to make a hole of 24 mm. So here click on home and 2D wireframe here. So I will draw a line to this point. I will create a circle diameter in the mid here, 24. Click on extrude, enter, extrude downside. Click on conceptual, rotate. Now we have to subtract this cylinder from this piece. Again click on subtract, select this one, enter. The hole is done now. And now we will click here on the top view. Now we have to create this 72 mm diameter circle and 32 mm hole. Then our drawing is completed. So here I want to extrude other side, so I will change the view to northeast isometry. And I will go to wireframe. I will join this one to this one. Click on circle diameter here. The diameter is 72 and we have another hole here that is 30. First we will extrude this one. Click on extrude and this side the height is 60. And now we will move this cylinder from this center to this center. Click on conceptual. This is not right now. You can see it is a separate piece and this is a separate piece. So we cannot make a hole through. So for that we have to join this one and this one. For joining we have to use union command. Click here on the union, select this one and this one, then enter. So now it is a single entity. Again we click on northeast here. We will go back to 2D wireframe. Click on extrude. Click the cylinder and make this one here conceptual. You can rotate. Now here we have to subtract again from this, enter. So our drawing is complete now. I will move this one to delete the extra lines. From the orbit you can rotate. So in this way we can create any 3D drawings in AutoCAD. Hope you understood and how we can make 3D drawings in AutoCAD.